Are you meeting the ever-changing demands of your customers? Maybe you need to rebuild your supply chain or add a dozen new flights to Europe or Latin America. Maybe you need to develop a mobile app to out-innovate your competitor or find new ways to connect with your customers. But you are finding that you can't deliver software fast enough to keep up with the demands in the market. And your competitor can. Your development tools are holding you back. Your teams spend too much time switching between tools, losing productivity, and slowing down your speed of innovation. That's why we provide the DevOps platform, a single application where development, security, and operations teams work together. Instead of delivering software on a slow, periodic basis, teams make rapid, continuous updates.
So the platform strategy of Gitlab was one of the main pieces that we wanted. We wanted an end-to-end capability that gave us visibility from the start all the way through the end.
It starts with planning, prioritizing, and tracking your projects. Then you write code, collaborate with your team, and approve the change. The platform automatically tests your code to ensure it works properly, and you deploy it to end users. All of these steps take place with security built in. You have visibility into the entire lifecycle, which allows you to see where you're losing time and improve cycle time. Now, your teams can efficiently plan, build, secure, and deploy software to accelerate business outcomes.
With Gitlab, our developers have been able to deliver more, faster, in a healthier way, and a secure way. From a deployment frequency within Gitlab versus the fragmented toolset, we're seeing 10x.
Are you meeting the ever-changing demands of your customers? Now, you are.